Let your imagination run wild in restoring this 4-bedroom, 4-bath ranch house to the showplace it can be. 1,944 square feet. On the first floor plus a 3-season room off the family room. Galley Style kitchen has a breakfast bar and a pantry. Partial basement is finished with a rec room, 5th bedroom or office and another full bathroom, plus a laundry room, furnace room and walk-in cedar closet. 2 furnaces and air conditioners. Tear-off roof new in March 2023. Whole house fan. Brick 2.5 car detached garage. Large 75 by 160 lot backs up to an additional 40 utility access designated as Morningside, and a 50 by 135 lot also available for sale on as Harvard.